guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am Amanda Claypool, and on this channel I post about fun, fashionable things that are friendly for everyone's budget. So if you are new, definitely consider subscribing. It would mean the absolute world to me. And for this video, I am so pumped, you guys. I am kind of doing a pre-intro to fall haul from Walmart. I found some pretty amazing things, if I do say so myself, including this super humongous grandpa sweater. It's like my favorite thing ever. So cozy, so soft. But I have amazing things to share with you guys today. And like every other video, I'll be linking everything down below in the comments for you to pick up if you wish. And that pretty much sums it up. So let's just jump on into this video. Okay, I'm starting this haul off with a bang. This grandpa sweater is so cute. And you guys, I feel so awful because I got this in an extra large. Now they only have XXL and 4X, I think. So I will keep my eye on it and see if it comes back in stock in smaller sizes for you guys. But I love how oversized it is. I'm so glad that I got the X. I think I only got 1X. I think I got XL, just XL. That's it. But I love it. It's so cozy. They have the same style, but in other colors. So it's not a pattern like this. It's like a camel color, and I can't remember the other color, but I know that they have it in another color. And then this tank top, it's a turtleneck. It is a long sleeve turtleneck, and this is from the brand Free Assembly. It's newer to Walmart, but I have been obsessed with it. The quality of the Free Assembly clothes is amazing. And then I'm pairing it with these, they're kind of like high water jeans. They're so cute though. I love the distressing. I thought they'd be perfect for the transition from summer to fall, just because they're kind of like a light wash denim. I think that they're so cute. They have nice pockets. You can kind of see that they're definitely high waters. I mean, I'm wearing boots and they're still like, they're kind of more of capris, I guess you could call them. And I am 5'4", so yeah, they're pretty short. If you're taller than this and you don't want them to be like super capris, I would maybe consider, they might have longer sizes actually, now that I think about it. But I'm just pairing it with these combat boots to kind of make it a little bit more edgy and a little bit more fall-like. But these are extremely comfortable. These are from Target, and I highly recommend them. I've mentioned before, these are going to be a fall staple for me. Okay, so this dress I am completely in love with. I'm going to try to see if that helps you guys pick up the material of it. I didn't know how I would like it. I didn't know how it'd fit. I got this in size medium. I saw the pattern and I instantly thought, this is the perfect fall dress. It's simply amazing. I love it. The only thing that's kind of weird is it has these little like side bows right here. On this side, I might cut them off, only because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of awkward. Like, I don't know why they're there, other than like, I don't know. So I might cut those off just because it's a little weird, but it has this like V-neck and you can tie it, which I think is so unique and so fun. It also has elastic around the like cuff right here. So comfortable, and it's so flattering, and it has these like tiers as well. And since we're in the fall vibes, we're doing a fall haul, I paired them with my favorite boots, and I love the like edgy vibe that it gives the outfit. I think it's just darling. So cute. Okay, so this next outfit, I wasn't sure how I was gonna like this skirt. It's kind of different. It is like corduroy. It has these front pockets that almost look like they should be in the back. But one thing that I loved about it, I loved how kind of chunky and like, I don't know, like different they were. It has like a side zipper, but it is like extremely stretchy. I definitely could have gotten a medium. I feel like a medium would have maybe fit a little bit better. I do feel like it's pretty loose, but it stays up, so I will keep it. It's good. This was from Free Assembly. And it's just like corduroy material, which I just had. This is a bodysuit from the Free Assembly line as well, and I actually love this bodysuit. I love the neckline of it. I feel like maybe I don't have the right shoulders for it, but because it's kind of like loose right here. But I got it in a size large because I have a longer torso, and it literally fits like perfectly. I absolutely love it. But I would most likely not just wear this. I would most likely either add a cardigan or a jean jacket. A denim jacket would be so cute with this, and I just have some brown booties on. These are from Target, which I shared in my last video. But this is just so cute, such a cute fall staple. With this outfit, since it's neutral colors, you can do so much with it. You could add so many different like layers to it. You could add, like, I'm going to add some denim here in a minute, but you could add any color, like pop of color with your cardigan. There's just so much, like, so many possibilities with neutral tones, and it's very good. Alright, so I added this oversized denim chunky jacket. I love this just because I feel like it's kind of out of the ordinary. It's not something that I would wear in Oregon when it's cold out, but we are having very unusual weather the past, gosh, last year and this year. So I'm kind of open to trying out different fall outfits. I'm excited about the skirts situation. Since it's so warm, we can wear skirts now, which is very exciting. I got this from Walmart, this jacket, gosh, a couple summers ago, and it was a little bit longer. I think I might have, no, it wasn't a men's. I like to get men's stuff from Walmart and then kind of like create them to be my own thing. But this was actually in the women's. I think I got it, I feel like it's an XL, or maybe, yeah, I think it's an XL. And I cut the bottom off of it. So you can't use the pocket because your hand goes right through the pocket, because I didn't think that through. But I cut the bottom off and I made it like distressed because I was determined to find it like an oversized distressed jacket. But every jacket that I tried finding was extremely overpriced on other like stores, other like store websites. So I made my own, and I absolutely love it. I love how large it is. You can wear it off the shoulder. It's so cute. I am obsessed. And then you could also wear it with my favorite grandpa sweater. These two pieces were actually inspired by Ashley Sarvac. She sent me like a photo of her wearing this cardigan and this skirt, and she actually bought these two pieces together and they match perfectly. And the second that I saw her in this outfit, hers is a little different obviously. I want to switch it up a teeny bit so I'm not completely like duping her outfit, but I saw her in it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need the links for this. I need to get this outfit. It's so cute. So yeah, I did purchase these off of her, so definitely go check out her channel so you guys can see how she styled this outfit. But I love it with the black bodysuit. I feel like it's a little bit more contrast, and then I am pairing it with these boots, but since I'm adding this cardigan, I think it kind of clashes a little bit too much with the boots, so I would actually put on black boots to match the jumpsuit, just because I like that sort of contrast versus like it matching the cardigan too much. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but in my head I'm like, oh, it's kind of cringy, but it'd be so cute with black boots. But I probably wouldn't do the boots that I have been doing, the combat boots. I would probably do more of like similar to this, where it's like kind of more dressy, pointed toe. I think that would be extremely cute, but I love this outfit so much. It's so comfortable, and I love the length of this skirt, so you guys can kind of see. It comes down to my knees, almost like a little bit above my knee, so I don't feel like I'm going to bend over and show the world the goods, because the skirt is like a perfect length. So okay guys, I am battling with the sunlight here, but I'm gonna keep filming because I'm living for this haul. Okay, so I saw this like two-piece sweater set. I'm not really sure if I should like, I have the top tucked in right now, but I feel like I should tuck it in more. I don't know. It's so stinking cute. I love this A-line that we have going on for the skirt. And then the top is like the softest sweater material, like turtleneck. It's so soft. It's amazing. I love this outfit. Honestly, like, everything so far has been my favorite, but like, this is also really good. So If you love two-piece sets, you're going to love this. This is definitely going to be a fan favorite. They had it in a cream color as well, and I almost considered getting that one. But I don't know, something about the gray, I feel like you can wear it for more seasons versus just the cream. I feel like that's kind of more like spring, summer, but so cozy. I love it. And then I'm just pairing it with these boots to kind of make it more fall. And I'm so sorry, you guys, it's getting so dark in here. Oh my gosh. But love this. It's a really, really nice material too. Very stretchy, very comfortable. 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, so for this one, I wanted to just show you guys. I normally don't wear camis like without like a jacket over the top or something, but this cami is actually really good quality. It kind of feels like it could be like office material. It doesn't really have much stretch, but I love the lace detail up here. And it's like a razorback. So it goes like a razorback in the back. And then these are the Sofia Vergara jeans. I love the corset fly. So flattering, kind of just, you know, hold you in. And I feel like this cut is so flattering too. I haven't worn like bell bottoms in a long time. They are honestly a little bit, well, I don't know. I put them on with some boots, so I have like a little bit of a heel, and now they're not as long, but when I was wearing them without any shoes, I was like, oh man. So these are good for my taller gals. Like I said in the beginning, I'm 5'4". I will also link all my measurements down below for you guys. You know, bust and hips and all that stuff, so you guys know. So you can consider that when you are shopping. But I think this would also be so cute with a sweater over the top. So I'm going to just do a 2-in-1 outfit because we're losing daylight. I'm going to throw a sweater over the top of this. Okay, so I got this so super comfy sweater from the Free Assembly brand. And I love that it has a little split here. It's super leggings friendly, super long in the back. And it has a really flattering V-neck. There it goes. Not focusing. It has like a super flattering V-neck. Not too high up to your neck. You're still able to breathe. It's not a turtleneck. This would also, since it has this like split hem, I would 100% front tuck this. It's so hard doing it with one hand. I would front tuck this just to kind of give the outfit a little bit more shape. It's kind of more like definition. I think is so cute. And then I'm just pairing them with these snake booties. And I don't think I showed these to you. Obviously, don't wear them with these kind of socks because they have the side slits. But these are an amazing designer dupe. They're so comfortable. They have memory foam. A 10 out of 10 for these. I love these. I've worn them with so many outfits so far. And they have a little zipper in the back. I got my true size, which is a 6.5. If you have wider feet, I would recommend sizing up just because it has a pointed toe, and sometimes wider feet have like a little bit more trouble with the pointed toe. But this is a perfect everyday fall outfit. I 100% love it. So cozy. It would also be super cute with a skirt if you wanted to do that. This sweater, I love it. They have other colors. I don't have many colors that are colors. I don't have many colors. I don't. I'm not really a color gal, but I don't have many sweaters that are gray. So I'm trying to get some things I don't have because I kind of gravitate towards neutrals and whatnot. So, okay, and then last but not least, still have some daylight for this one. The second I opened this one, I was so excited to put it on because it is like the perfect oversized sweatshirt to wear with biker shorts. Like, oh my god, are you kidding me? So I got this in a large. It naturally comes a little bit big, and it's a tunic, so it's longer than normal sweatshirts. And the second that I saw it, they have so many different colors. It's obviously not the most flattering because it's just like a boxy like sweatshirt, but it's so cozy to wear with biker shorts and some shoes, some boots or sneakers or whatever you want to wear. But I thought this would be so cute to like run errands in and, you know, just hang out around the house. It's such a comfortable like fleece knit sweater. And I believe this is Free Assembly. It's just amazing. I love Free Assembly. It's probably, like, I like Scoop too, but Free Assembly, it's totally my style. I just love it. We did it, guys. We beat the sun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And also let me know down below in the comments what your favorite piece from this haul was. Also, if you have not yet followed my closet Instagram, AmandaClaypools_closet, hop over there and check out the things that I have for sale. Everything is lightly worn. Sometimes it's only worn for hauls like this. So if you see anything that you love from past videos, definitely check that account out. My sizing on there is from medium to large, so a lot of sweaters, things that I will be posting are going to be kind of oversized. Some of them are actually perfect size, so if you're a medium or large, definitely hop over there and check out those things. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!